Tonight I'm making stuffed pepper soup. So going through all that trouble making stuffed peppers, which is one of our favorites, takes a little bit of extra time. So why not just, it all goes to the same place, right? So here, this is so simple. Limited ingredients, easy, your family will love it. I've just taken a pound of ground beef and I sauteed it or browned it. I've added red pepper. You could use green. We don't do green in our house, we do red. In addition, I've got that all cooked up right here now. Now, it called for some tomato sauce. I don't have any, but I'm going to use some of my garden tomatoes that I have canned from last season. I need to use those up. Now you can see why it's going to be a soup. But to make it thicker with that sauce, I have a can of tomato paste I'm going to add in there. Give it that wonderful tomatoey taste. It also called for 2 beef bouillons. Well, I don't have the beef bouillon, but what I had was beef better than bouillon. So I'm adding that flavor. In addition, a tablespoon of soy sauce. And once we get this all going, mixed around, it's going to cook for a while. And then at the end, I'm going to add the cooked rice that I just did some basmati rice. This is going to need a little bit of water to make it more soupy, but I think it's going to taste really good. You might want to add some salt and pepper, and we'll come back when I'm adding the rice. So because I used a paste, I needed to add some water. I did about 1/4 water, and now I pre-cooked the rice. Just like in stuffed peppers, there's always rice. So how easy is this? And you've got stuffed pepper soup without all that work of making the stuffed peppers. It'll taste just the same, and I hope you enjoy it.